capacity. Now, a question may arise about what is the best way of utilizing our capacity. We know that there is no limit. We know there is nothing to stop us. And actually, we know that this world is a place that Allah has prepared for our growth. And Allah is Rabbul Alameen. And Rabbul Alameen, He is not only responsible for our survival. Rabbul Alameen is also educator and trainer and nutrisher. And cultivates us. So if you want to grow, this world is very much welcoming and prepared for that. So how can we grow? The most important thing is your decision. We think people are different in their success because of, for example, the family they belong to, the education they received, the environment, resources, I don't know, material comfort, for example. We think, someone who didn't have any poverty, maybe they could, succeed more. So good teachers, good parents, good environment, material resources. We think these are the things that make people more successful. But the reality is that the most important, the most fundamental factor is your own decision, followed by efforts. Decision and efforts should come together because you cannot decide without doing anything. If you are really determined, means you make your best. This is why in the Qur'an, the focus is put on sa'i. لَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانِ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى. There is nothing for us except what we have made efforts for. So even Iman and Amal Saleh, all of them at the end, it's a matter of how much I made efforts for. Maybe, I have very easy life, very easy religious life, and I can do lots of good a'mal. Maybe I am born into a very, pious family and environment. For me to be a mu'min was not a difficult thing. So Iman and Amal Salih are very important, but even more fundamental, more underlying than Iman and Amal Salih is how much you wanted to commit yourself to the truth, how much you wanted to progress, how much effort you have put. لَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانِ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى وَأَنَّ سَعْيَهُ سَوْفَ يُرَى. So our main achievement is our efforts. And this is why then patience